it right now. I don't wanna leave my life for you.
Yes, indeed. Oh my goodness, of course, that was some amazing songs. I mean, Baroski has always got us covered when it comes to the beats, right?
Yes, of course.
Now, listen, we're about to go to Jason's favorite part. So, you know, drop the mic, my rapper. Why don't you drop a freestyle for us before we even go? Drop a beat, Baroski.
No, wait. Hold up.
The public have been wanting. They've been waiting for this.
Let me just say, Baroski don't perform nowhere without having money dropped on me. Why should I perform without having money dropped on me?
Forget it. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jason, you're such a waste of time.
Now, let me just say, I promise, very soon I'm going to perform right here on MXBEATZ, but it's not today. Today is a space for up-and-coming artists on the show.
Oh, so you're not upcoming.
And
That's true.
no,
I get it.
no.
He ain't upcoming. Have you seen his
No,
followers?
he's not.
He doesn't even follow anyone.
No,
that's
no.
how up there he is.
No, I'm not. The only person I follow is DJ Baroski. I go everywhere with him. But right now, this is the platform where we get up-and-coming artists on the show. They come, they perform. And just in case you know someone who needs the space, who needs a platform, hit us up, get into MXBEATZ DMs. And what we're going to do is we have a couple of rounds. DJ Baroski is our judge. And Miss Drew is going to give a word as the show goes on. And they have to rap along to that word, right?
Yes. The person who uses the word the most, in my eyes,
Today's a simple word?
is the winner.
Or
I haven't thought of the word yet, but I'm
She
not
hasn't
also
even-
hungry, so we don't know what it's going to be. Baroski, drop the beat.
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out,
Ah,
bring 'em
yeah.
out, bring 'em out.
Uh-huh.
It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth.
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. Who we got today? Come on.
Okay.
Okay, all right, okay. Hold on a second. Now, of course, I get to pick first because it's always ladies first.
She loves teddy
You guys
bears.
make it difficult
I'm
for
not
me.
even gonna-
He's trying to
She
win
loves
me
teddy
over with
bears.
the teddy bear.
She loves teddy bears.
You
I
really trying to
know.
win me over for the Is it all right if I hold your teddy bear and pick someone else?
No, she's not.
Nah,
Sure.
I'm going to hold your teddy bear. So, what's your name? Sorry, introduce yourself and where you from.
I go by the name CK Black. I came from Central Region. Yankumasi crew.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay, and you, my darling?
Yo, I go by the name Kojo Linton, aka Obashoko, aka Separap Zabren, and Mosoto,
Oh,
aka the original Charlie. I come from Cape Coast. They want to find a friend.
Charlie, win the show.
But he's from the Central
Boss
region too.
Lawton.
They're both Central. Can you speak some Fanti? No, you don't.
Not really.
It's okay. You're mine. Come here.
Yo,
Come. Give me the teddy bear.
Hold on tight for me.
Hey, does it have a
Now,
name?
DJ Baroski.
Yeah, Teddy Linton.
Jason, so
Teddy
DJ
Linton.
Baroski.
Shock.
That's
Wow.
the judge of the
So,
show. Is that how
okay.
it happens?
I mean, she's a lady. I mean,
No, yeah. Black.
black.
Okay.
All right,
versus
cool. So you guys know the rules, right?
Well, for sure.
So the two of you are going to go head to head, 3 rounds. Baroski is the judge. He's looking for... What are you looking for? Tell me.
Bars.
Yeah.
Bars. I mean, bars.
Bars
No
on
swearing.
Chai.
Bars.
I'm a master.
Creativity.
No
Master
swear.
all.
Eze.
I'm a
Abba.
Linton be
Oh,
my guy,
my
but today for
Okay.
kill him.
All right, let's do this
sure,
right
sure.
now.
Kill him.
Listen,
like-
this is your camera. This is your camera. In the middle.
Hey, make your mic and I'll come to Pajolo drop of punches. In case when you want petrol shell or what I'm ton of matches. We claim like sick, I am still when you made me symptoms. One couldn't claim a sick, or what should I win a jaundice? Rastas in it to initiate mana. I found a pansacola. One chebi, I'm a hit in your mapacat and payola. Many beats the amateur so clean, or this is them in Peoma. Me chen them who punch by a strong, but I'm at 20 coda. You kill the beats into my reserve or jet pack. Cause punching now, no yet in the Balagalanga. Intimidate ass 11 Salanka, why join the next bag. But rap style different. Rasta richer than cats. Sure.
Okay, Teddy Linton.
All right, Black, are you ready?
I'm ready, Baroski.
Come on.
Hey, CK, we did it right. I see you stand up. Yeah, team. Me a take say me too out in me frame me metamorphic. Me from more being me din so the Derek. I believe say me we are me fans be hwehwe me. Me fans you chrome ma energy to say. Hey. CK be the name right. Yankwe, Tie, aha. Awo humuna nase ah. Awo humuna nase Jupiter. Kokubon Sam meme flow allergy. Massacre. Oye bad, oye hollow. Tise abata uduya mi tufian. Obebre, oye Lucifer. Enya moa moshe demuna illegal. Toy soldier chill me shoot too physical.
Okay,
That's
hold on.
one round done.
All right.
CK,
hold
you
on.
know what you did, right?
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go.
So,
Okay,
no
so-
swear words. You say kiddies
These
the
are,
watch.
so
we
far,
can't
Teddy
say
Linton
the
has
F
won this
word, then
round
mala
by
to
default,
talk out.
even though you good.
Okay.
Yes, so by default.
All right,
Teddy
let's
has
go
won
to
this
round 2.
Let's go.
I mean, yeah, I know I can be wicked with the beats and all, but round 2, let's do this. Let's do this right now. Rock,
CK,
rock.
you
What's
go.
the name?
Stop.
Rock, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, CK be the name right. Lego, team. Obre di many, techi my pa meko, or see me nechi, menen and common moto, Adam for money, Pasha boy am a humoto. Made the second Kessie a cow bottle, and found when the baby a sika walk, made the meko, me kumini paju on sika, mobile, me 3 moya day. Afe missing apostle, a bandi ni pekuma, me Jimmy na mapoto. Oh, Yamishila me for this type. Eja, me pedo, me pe big hype. Send ye beya bonia me the main kai. And yes, I dear banny dear near Lord, show me how I'm gonna do that. A banner artworks be a brutal.
Rusky, now that was a vibe.
Okay, it was a
That was-
vibe.
I
Okay, I was
like
been
that.
waiting for the chorus for that.
That was a, yeah.
All right. I mean,
Okay.
I'm just a judge. So let's go. Are you ready, Linton?
Teddy Linton.
Okay, I'm quiet.
Shock.
Chalk, let's go.
Oba shoko. Sepe rappers are brain on my soto. Kojo Linton. Yo, Teye. Flow no so high, expensive, say Diego Don Costa. Majina Manado make no try, we are by Apple Watoska. You claim the rap and Turo, say Beshama Kashan Sport, and when they react and mountain, shut a venture, who can you cancer? Obiase, Kojo Linton, in fact, boy, no can some. Mo punch a full of 1 pairs, I brought a sharp, what welcome. Kojo mo waste the time, so punches and what's welcome. Eman punch and punch, Mona Sana, what's look for a tongue. MXBEATZ, I mean, you're drawn, I really boom coco. Open them in your beats and murder, I am Toto. A drop album, they say, Yabaya, Shimula, no Montobe, but try my chodo, Sumukuna, Osnu, and Chupampo. I him for chow. What's I see him in a shop, but roll. It's a rap of major one. Kojo Linton, now we are more corporal. I'm shocker.
Yo.
Woo.
Oh, okay, let me just wait for the last round.
The last round.
Yeah.
Last
Because he
round.
actually dropped the bar in the beginning. He
Wow.
said, don't try we, or try wow with Tosca. What is our liners? That's hard. That's hard.
Yes.
Now
Try
it seems
me.
like a lot of you guys are using a lot of tree and fancy and
So-
Mintiase.
so-
So let me give you the word that
But
I
Rusky,
know.
my guy was
in-
Yeah, okay.
my guy was writing a beat.
I like
Yeah.
his
Please,
bar.
was writing a
please,
beat.
please. Let's
Why you
listen.
dey explain?
Why
he said-
exactly? Why
he
you
said the music.
Jason?
Sometimes we dey take one at a time.
Jason.
Just you don't explain.
Just over
Okay.
here.
All right, let's
Let's
go.
go.
The word that you guys both need to use, okay? I need to hear this word majority times in your rapping is Yenko. Thank you.
All right, so you have to rap with Yanko, like a lot of years ago. Because I mean, when she was talking, I realized you people were not. But from there, all the fact
It was
when
the
this look
English
at
there.
Yanko and Oka. All right, Yanko, are you ready? Kojo Linton.
Oba shot. Sepe rappers are brain on my soto. Kojo Linton. What me young pretty. Yo. Shock, yeah, what me young pretty. Up in the rap and me so hot. My desk I was Asha dry. I say me so hot. Punchiness nobody is into mountain. See them punchy robot. But me superhuman. I don't roll with robot. Cause it will be a whole lot. When I'm on the train, no my thought I go window. To open me tired them the closed doors. 1 month to rap person like Kojo Linton by near fortress. I'm a pen I'm rapping every week. Cause every week be a punch I'm on the prospects. All these years when would they be a good one? Come and maintain the respect. Get it, make it yes, respect, wait place when you're dressed in the full shirt. Sense ourselves to stone, but he go fi understand. Oba rap, oba guy could do my the 1 + 1 -1 me a 1. And Sabon and prayer better say your punches are it was fun. In so many countries they sit on me, but today they bro. I go make Pakistan.
Kojo.
Hey.
Yanti
But
Yanko
what
Baku.
did
We want to
use
start
the
here, me
word-
see young co.
You didn't
Okay.
use the word Yenko.
Okay.
Start here, me see homie young
But I
co.
want to hear
Okay,
it
nice.
this time.
Okay.
Okay, nice. Okay, let's do this. 1,
Yeah.
2.
CK be the name right. I see stand up. Yeah, team. I got a little money into Munya, and nothing so no Jimmy. Me now for P, me who am his Ferrari Bugatti, they looking for me. I see Jenny Honey, they searching for me. The Petimuya into Makata many. Never forget I am in you who I'm so keen pressure. Will give me answer or telling me past a woman. Yes, I can now. Me that's she shall wake us on Madusa. I'm on my pressure. Me to me things I can hallelujah. Paul na Peter see who be Madusa. Me imagine me see come top on Anika. All of her money, me say her producer. I'm in me Judah, me say Kutabuta. Papa never say me so my Bermuda. Namu him for na Yabu Yehu and I say and I say na me fenya me see Kenti Jaime. CKB didn't write.
Again. What's happening? I didn't hear the word Yenko. You guys are doing tree. And there's no Yenko. Then none of you said Yenko, so you're both cancelled.
He said it.
Okay, Banker, so I'm going to start to you and to Fantini. Install a Fantini deleted A, bro, for no way.
All right.
Mintiase.
Okay. That was entertaining.
Judge, before
the judge there, you explain to me. You see, we had like, I mean, two amazing rappers,
right?
CK, Kojo, Linton. I mean, it's Kojo Linton for me for this rap battle. CK, you did your thing, but the winner is Kojo Linton.
Kojo Linton.
Yeah.
Obeshi.
we cool.
All right, CK, please speak to the mic, the camera. Let us know where we can follow you on your social media handles, where we can hear more of your raps and your music.
You can follow me on Facebook, YouTube, by BFG. BFG.
Do you know what that stands like?
Black Family Gang.
Hey, Black Family Gang in London is Big Friendly Giant.
Everything, any platform.
Beautiful. All right. And where can we find you?
Yeah, Charlie Baroski. I'm the Beatz one small to be ending.
Hey, no, when your last round, because you're the winner. So you just have to tell the people where they can follow you.
Yeah, I go by them Kojo Linton. You can follow me all the social media, Charlie. Twitter, Kojo Linton, Facebook, Kojo Linton, Instagram, Kojo Linton. And when it comes to YouTube, it's Angry Panda.
Hey, Angry Panda. Take it. Let's go.
Okay.
Last round.
Yo. I'm a shock, separate rappers are brain, I'm a sort of. Yeah, me with the rappers, me brave of what Kojo Linton and my baby, my set to motus. My banana, my flex on a tight, was a pump be on thing, there's a minion loose. I'm punching over so the ceiling. The John A hardcore, no one's who will leave a cruise. I'm pumping a small time, we'll be Jay-Z, about punch out until it Beyonce go boost. Had this rapper, mad in the mail where they punch a heavy, entire men pay the feet. But man can I will go on a course, one clone you so cold, entire no one Benny heat. Can I one task with them, in a man out, the one Jay, I am in police seats in a punch and more drop to be a coming down when I came. When that has will get out or marry seat about short.
Or trying to all get to a marry seat.
Or marry seat, I mean.
All right, now guys.
No, I mean, you want to spoil the last one. Normally, as the winner.
Let us spoil the last one.
Listen, nobody's cheating here. The rules of the game, the winner gets an extra round. I mean, if you watch the show, that's what we do every time.
Sure,
do you get it?
Sure.
I mean, beat in the FF from me boy. See, who they get beat in
Okay,
the
go.
Everyone almost made the beats for free.
Central stand up. Shit. I thought that me to me bother me yachimi sa salam makuma ne yano ahu yachine senchenam spices kakra makuma yempunam pe no na ya na se me do no krochi akasa baifo na wasi na ni ati okura sini nante na me na tin na asi yo boy okwa aware aye bisa na me dia me ko hu no makwa bisa e se okwa